This is Narrowboat Desiderata. She is a 67.9 foot traditional style narrowboat built by Jonathan Wilson in 2001. Fit out was done by Fernwood Boats. So starting at the front of the boat, you've got a gas locker there, enough space for two 13kg gas bottles with your brass tunnel light and brass horn just there. You've got your cratch and cover. Looking inside, you've got two seating areas. The far one offers storage, and so does this one. Additionally to the storage space here, it has also got the battery isolator for the bow thrusters and the storage as well for the batteries. Looking at the front here, the front doors are barn doors, so you can, as you can see, I've got them set up there. You can open them just the top half, or you can open just the bottom half. Ideal for if you've got pets on board. And then there's the water fill point just there. So going down the boat, all the windows on board are brass portholes. Also, the mushroom vents are also brass. You have a side hatch just coming up, and obviously you've got your centre line point just there. There's the side hatch. Carrying on, you got all your boating equipment just there, plank and boat poles. And you're coming up to the rear of the boat. The slide hatch just open there. Coming to the rear, you've got two seats at the rear for the traditional style. You've got the diesel fill point just there, and you've got your mains hookup, which is just connected, just topping up the leisure batteries. So I'll show you the back of the boat. So you've got your controls just there. Battery isolated. You've got two battery chargers here, new max battery chargers. One of them's for the starter battery, the second one is for the starter battery for the generator. And then here you've got the Onan generator just at the rear. The control panel to actually start this is located in the galley, which I'll show you when we go down. And here is the Trace DR series inverter charger, currently in charging mode, just topping up the batteries as I said earlier. Right, I'll get the engine board up and I'll show you the engine. So this is the engine bay. We've got a Beta 4-cylinder that just there, with a PRM gearbox. The hours on the engine are unknown, and just at the front is a travel pack. In the far corner just there, you've got the clarifier. This is heated via the engine and also the air dispatcher. And then just under here is for domestic batteries. These batteries are brand new and were fitted this week. Right, let's go take a look inside the boat. Okay then, stepping inside the boat from the front, we're immediately met by the saloon area with a nice big L-shaped sofa. Just something I want to quickly show you at the front. So underneath that mat there is additional storage, and there is also a battery charger in there for the bow thruster batteries. Stepping down, so you've got a diesel powered stove just there, a lock gate, and you have a look around, you've got shelvings all around surrounding it. Coming on to the L-shaped leather sofa, it also offers a recliner function, so there's a recliner chair just there, and this one is also reclines, and then you've got additional storage just under there. Next thing to show you is the air dispatcher. There is the control panel for it, and there is normal radiators going down the boat, which will power that for you. Got the dining area, again, storage underneath, and there's a Bose sub just there as well for surround sound. Nice little feature here, TV stand, again, got storage underneath it. And it also, depending on where you're sitting, so you can have your recliner chair up and you can turn it around and be able to watch TV nice and comfy. Obviously there's the mains plug there and the aerial socket. Further down the boat, the shelving continues, and then you've got a storage cupboard just there. Coming into the kitchen area, got two wine racks along with more shelf storage, and then just below the sink you've got two deep drawers there. Sink's just there. It also does have a water filter in it that was fitted new only a couple of weeks ago. And then you come on to the appliances. So you've got the extractor fan just there. You've got an induction hob here. This is powered by the mains, so you either hook up or you run the generator. That's how the current owner does it. So every time he needs to run the induction hob or the oven there, which is also mains powered, he turns the generator on and uses it that way. So the switch for the generator is just there. Also, something a bit different on this boat is we have a Slimline dishwasher. Again, mains powered. Got more storage slide drawer just there. Another slide drawer with shelving on there. Coming to the back end of the kitchen now is the Beko washing machine, and you've got your fridge as well just there. And then obviously more shelf storage, fit your plates, bowls, etc. And as you can see around the kitchen area, there is a number of main sockets as well. Going into the bedroom area now, you've got slidey doors here, so this is halfway shut, and you come into the bedroom area. It's classed as a cross bed, which does fold up. So I'll just show you the room first, and then I'll show you the bed down. So you've got storage just there, as well as shelves and shelving that side as well. You've got a main socket and aerial there, and then you've got the side hatch just here. And then there's just a plastic cover here that can go over the side hatch. In the morning it just slides across. Right, okay. I'll get the bed down and show you. So here's the bed down. Really simple, pulls down and you just lock it into place. And it also has a brass porthole just there as well as LED lights. Then when you're done in the morning, just unbolt it and it folds straight back up and gives you clear access into the bathroom. Right, let's carry on. Right then, going into the bathroom, you have, well, the first bathroom, you have a pump out toilet there with storage and shelving. Again, shelving there, then you have a large shower just there. And there's your sink, again with additional storage, and these do open up as well, access to the pipe work. And then just a little bit more storage and a mirror. Hello. Okay, so that's the first bathroom. So then we're going through to the second bedroom, which is two fixed singles. And again, there's loads of storage under here. So you've got storage under the beds, both sides. And then you've got loads of storage up here as well. And if I just unclip the door, more shelves here. This room would be ideal if you're having a liveaboard and got a young family on board. Got a desk here, again for working at, all other things, and there's a radiator just under there. This isn't fixed in place, this does move, it's just being used there as storage. And then you come to the back of the room, again, life jacket in there, a nice sized wardrobe. So, right, carry on to the back of the boat. So you've got the control panel here. This boat does run both 24 volt and 12 volt. And also has, as I said earlier, it's got a generator on board. It's got a travel pack. It's got an inverter. So there's a number of ways of being able to get mains power down the boat. It's just currently running just over 24 volts, showing it's charging. And you've got screws and switches there. Okay. That again, that there is just additional storage. Right, going into the second bathroom. This is more classified as a wet room actually. So you've got your shower just there with your pump out toilet and your sink. This room is being currently used as storage, but we take stuff out and the room would easily be used again as a bathroom. The controls there to the toilet. And then that brings us to back of the boat. Right, let's go back outside for last few details. So last few details on the boat. The boat was last surveyed in July 2020, and that was a full survey. We do have a copy of that, so if you do need any details out of it, just please let us know. The hull was last backed in 2017, anodes were last fitted 2017, and the boat safety expires in August 2024. The hull base plate is a 10mm with 6mm sides, and then a 5 and a 4 on the top as well. For more information on the boat, visit our website at venetianmarina.co.uk, or please give us a call on 01270 528 251. Just want to thank you for listening, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube page. Thanks for listening. Bye.